Hello, this is Elliott Wave, and today is July, the 1st of July, Tuesday. Now that the most interesting part is over, we can take a look at the Elliott Wave counter for Bitcoin. I realized the last update dates all the way back to June the 14th, as well as hope you haven't missed too much these days, but I was busy. Now, so we might have in the future multiple accounts for Bitcoin. Now, my preferred one is this one. I probably also mentioned it in the last update. Now, as you guys know, I don't like to touch my accounts, which sounds very naughty, but there's multiple reasons why I don't do that. Now, back on, as you can see, this was June 14th. This is what we were looking at. We were looking further downside within wave C. Okay, now the subdivision kind of failed, but we were right in the direction. We were right in what to look for. Okay, now sorry, I always forget to breathe during these videos. You could argue this is a three-wave move. Okay, and I will agree with you. So you could say this is a double XY. You can change it to a double three. It's fine with me. I don't care too much. What I care about is that we identify this as corrective. Okay, and this looks indeed corrective. Now there's still a case for more downside. We'll see that in just a second. For now, let's stick to this count, and then we'll switch to the alternative bearish count. Now, okay, so this remove drawables, remove separator, remove drawables, remove separator. Okay, move drawables, move separator. Perfect. So in here, and also obviously one thing you can do, and you should do, is look at the ratio. So CBA, as you can see, we bounced off equality of wave C against wave A, a very common Elliott wave tendency. Okay, wave C many times are just as long as wave A. In a perfect world, they are, but it's not always the case. If it was, we'd all be rich. Now, 1 hour. So as we mentioned, we can change this to WXY. It could be a double three, double zigzag. Don't care too much. What I care about is we identify this as corrective. Okay. You could also say, look, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would argue this wave 4 is much larger than this wave 2, which is why I prefer to view it as some sort of ugly wave B, C. Okay. Now, upside, have we moved higher? So let's center it. 1, 2. Because if I label it 3, 4, 5, then this must be A, B, C. So it's either this minute could do. So it's either this, and to be honest, it could be this. Could be A, B, now down in C. Yeah, it could definitely be. Otherwise, I can't really come up. Yeah, come out sounded really bad. Come up with an alternative for this wave 1, because it could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, but it will look very ugly. So what I mean is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of ugly, wouldn't it? Don't like that. I prefer this. 3 down, 3 up, 5 down or 3 down, depending on, as usual, especially with cryptos, many times we get complex corrections rather than regular corrections, so either a zigzag or a flat. Now, if we look at numbers, obviously we are above 100,000. We need to stay above 100,000, and ideally above 105. Okay, so 105,000 to keep acting as support to then push higher. If we want to work with numbers, and that's basically my view for this bullish count. Now, I will leave you trademarks, timestamps, whatever they're called. The bearish view is not this one. Oh, there's so many things. It's this one. Down in 1, A, B, C. Because it would fit 3 up, 3 down, 5 up, and then downside. Okay? And this would be 1 down in A, up in sharp wave B, down in C. Now, the way I see things, I don't like this one. I prefer, obviously, the first count that I showed you, the bullish count. Now, if we take a look, I honestly don't remember what my count was for the indices. Yeah, I don't remember. But this would be pretty bad, okay? So I don't see this happening, but as of right now, it is possible Elliott Wave wise, so I need to present it to you. But I don't really have much to comment. To confirm this, we will need to start trading below 100,000, so we'll need to start doing this on top of 100,000. Okay, but we'll see. I just wanted to present it. I think I'm gonna end it here. You want to keep it short. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy the content, you want to stay updated, subscribe. Sorry for the break, but family is family, and I will see you potentially tomorrow.